Hey guys, it's Dynamic Play 898 Tank back here. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you something. Goldfish Casino Slots is a fun mobile online offline game for Android or like iOS or whatever, and it's just a fun casino game where you can gamble and stuff and like play like blackjack or like you can go just regular goldfish. So I'd like to say thank you to my sponsor, Goldfish Casino Slots, and let's get right into the video. So guys, do you want to play 898 Tank back here with another video? And as you can see, I just put a 91 overall All Black. We're playing FIFA 19 Pacy Bits again, part 3. So I've grinded. You can see how many tokens and coins I have in the top. I've been grinding SBC challenges, and yeah. So let's keep going. I didn't pull anyone besides him. So let's keep. It's lagging. Good. No, I don't know. Lamar. Okay. And okay. And then we hit a big enemy. So lag. I don't know what this is. Please be 85 plus. Nope, it's okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to stop lagging as we. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait. Okay. Okay. I'm honestly mad because these packs are better than the 81 boss, and I've been playing crap at it. It's nothing good. Yeah, see, like, what is this? Okay, good. Now, I'm gonna lag sometime. Complete garbage. These all-star packs are supposed to be. I just got these from doing SBC. Okay, now the Elite Plus pack. I have one. Really good. Okay. It's an 81 plus. Oh, let's go. It's an icon. Okay, Italian. Icon. Center field. 90 overall, Zola. Icon. This is gonna be huge. And a 90 Harry Kane. That's a good pack. It's probably one of my best packs I've ever had. And that's the first. Okay, right back. A spin. Okay, I'll take it. We have some Walker and stuff in there. Okay, 2 more of these best packs. Oh god. Okay, inform. Okay, so I hope we. Okay, Diego Costa. That's up. Take it. These have been fire. But like, okay, last special pack until I use all my coins on something. Okay, so this guy could be at the bottom, and then that's trash. I've never had Demon yet. It's like I don't know. Wow. So what are these? Team of the week. Oh, but what are the team of the week? Like, are they good? Like, I can get a 92 Modric. Like, what are the? I'm gonna check on. I'm gonna check the latest players real quick. It's a single player. It's like broke. Alright. So the latest player. So you have all these icons, right? Oh, so these like all black. So like I don't really know, cause they're not that great. And the only one that's good is the all black, and I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna buy some packs. Oh, if it lets me get out. I'll just close. Yeah, I don't really care at this point. Just please don't do this. So yeah, I think that not even this like it's just I think some recording. No. Piece of it. Now I'm gonna go straight into the buying packs. Hopefully we get good players. So we're gonna go to the store. So I'm gonna do a bunch of the special packs because they're obviously the best. Oh, okay. Here they are. Yeah, they just had some new ones. Special pack, special plus pack. Wait. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna do these. Oh god. Okay, Sanchez, I like it. I like it. Oh god, okay. I'm not looking.
It's an
What is
icon.
it? Oh.
France. New.
Whatever.
Sucks.
Oh my god, no. Icons don't suck.
Well, that one was an 87.
I put a 9.
But it should have been an 87.
No, I'm basically getting all the informs. Like, it's just stupid. Another inform, I'm telling you. So there's only 100 packs. Again, only 83 for one. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna try out that one. I don't know. Look, I'm just getting these. I'm gonna try this. It's guaranteed. Yeah, like that. Oh my god. That's scary. I'm just gonna do these. Okay. Oh, I've officially run out. So now what do I do? Do I do 2 of these? I don't like the all stars. I'm gonna do these. I see how they are. They're usually good, but not fun. Okay, maybe one more. Get rid of my phone. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, Mule at the top. Okay, never mind. Bye. Okay, inform. Okay, I can only buy 2 more. It's just giving me informs. It's just spewing out informs. It's pretty dumb. Oh, thank God. I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking. Okay, I'm gonna look in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, Abram. I pulled a 94.
Of who?
Icon.
Best?
It's a new, no. Oh my gosh,
Who is
Yui Sabo. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna open these now. Okay, I don't even care at this point. I'm just happy. Holy crap. How are these still in packs? Holy crap. Okay. Now we're gonna check out the club, you know. Oh my god. That. Wait. Okay. So, guys, that was it for today. D98 plate, 898 tank out.